Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and now I am going to tell you how to report YouTube videos and comments. YouTube is one of the most preferred video sharing websites worldwide. Since there's a great interest in YouTube, we may encounter minor problems while using the application. One of these is hosting of inappropriate content. If you think a video you watch on YouTube is inappropriate, you can use the video reporting like complaint feature on your phone or tablet or your app. As you can see right here, YouTube is a wild west of content. There are some great videos there, but also some truly awful ones. You can help out by reporting questionable content. With 300 hours of video being uploaded to YouTube every minute, there's just no way for Google to effectively police it all. That's where you, the viewer, come in. If you think a video is against YouTube's community guidelines, you can report it. YouTube's human moderators, who are on duty 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, will then review it. If it is against the guidelines, it will get removed and the YouTube channel will face sanctions. Too many violations or ones that are too objectionable and the whole channel can be removed. Let's look at how to do it. By the way, the video that I have opened right here is not a video that I am going to report. I will just be showing how to do it. So what is against YouTube's community guidelines? YouTube's community guidelines are pretty vague and for good reason, not for just simple reasons. The vagueness allows Google some leeway in determining what content they allow on the platform. So the things they explicitly cover under the guidelines includes nudity or sexual content, harmful or dangerous content, hateful content, violent or graphic content, harassment and cyberbullying, of course, spam and scams, threats, copyright infringement, privacy violations, impersonation, child endangerment, like these are real things, So if you see videos that go against these guidelines or other stuff you think is questionable, you can report it. So how to report a YouTube video? For a feature that's so important, that's so very much important, the option to report a video on YouTube is actually slightly hidden. So it's easy to overlook if you don't know what is there. But I'm going to show you just like I just showed you. So you won't have to look for it or you don't have to, never mind. So you can do your duty. So in the pop-up menu, as you can see right here, there's a report option. To report a video using YouTube mobile app, you should have the app and all those things. But this right now that I am using a website on my computer, you will just, there's these three little dots under the video. You can just report here. So when you select report, you're using this, like whichever platform you report the video on, you need to provide a little bit more information. You cannot just be reporting. So you have to select the reason why it's violating. Then you're going to choose it and then you have to say next. For example, I will say spam or misleading, for example. Then you can choose like mass advertising or you can just misleading text, for example. So, and after that, you're going to click next. But in here, you have to, put the time, which time stamp it has happened. And you will add some details. But since I do not see anything wrong with this video, I will not do that. So right now, I'm clicking cancel. But when you face something like that, you can write down, provide additional details. So people who's working for us to make YouTube a better place can find it easily and can figure it out. So you have to click report if you have it. But since I'm not going to do it, I have just clicked cancel. And YouTube's moderators will review your report as soon as possible. And as I told you, they will take care of it. But there's also this thing. Sometimes the video has nothing wrong with it. The video is a good video, is a good content, it has nothing harmful inside. But there is some comments down there that shouldn't be there. So they're not only the place that you can find questionable content on YouTube. So the comment section is actually very famously awful, very much. So if you see a comment that goes against the community guidelines, like, or looks like a spam, here's how to report it. You're gonna go down, of course, first find the the comment. And when you look at it like this, you might not realize where is it. You can see this thumbs up, thumbs down, or reply, but the place to report it, it kind of, if you don't look through, you can just maybe not know where it is. But it's on the website, it's a little bit hidden, And right now, once you hover your mouse just like this, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, we're seeing those things. There are these dots right here, right? We're gonna click them, and there is this report, and we will go through the same process just like we would when it's a video. So we can say hate speech, harassment, or bullying, and then we're gonna choose one. This is harassing me, this is harassing another person, and then you're gonna say report. But since there is no such a thing right now, in this example, I'm just gonna hit cancel. But in that case, you have to hit report, click report, so it can be reported. So the people that working for us, working for YouTube, they will just, their moderators will review it as soon as possible and will take action. And it's also in the mobile app, things are a little bit more obvious. You can just, those little three dots are not very much hidden. You just tap them and then tap report and go through the same process. So it's easy. And at the end, these are the things we should say. YouTube sometimes has serious content issues. With so many thousands of hours of videos uploaded every day, we said 300 hours in a minute. So yes, it's a lot. It's no wonder that some portion of it is just pretty awful. So there's also that ongoing abuse that happens in comments. Now at least you know how to do something about it. When you see something wrong, you're just gonna find that 3 dots, report what's the reason, what's making it that bad, that awfulness, where it comes from. You can just report it, so you're gonna feel more comfortable, and you will see those kind of things less likely. If more people will report the issues, then we're not gonna have to face those things at all. So if you also see any kind of comments or any kind of content anywhere in YouTube, do not forget to do that. Do not forget, because it's so simple. There are just few steps. So thanks for watching. I hope if you have any more questions, you can just ask me on the comments, and I will be there to reply for you. So take care. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up.